This short video deals with two unrelated rights found in the GDPR that can both be dealt with in our usual 3-minute window. These rights are those of the right to rectification and the right to restrict processing. The right to rectification. The right to rectification gives individuals the right to request that any information held on them, which is incorrect or incomplete, be corrected or completed. This is tied directly to the fourth GDPR principle of accuracy, which we covered in a previous video. Organisations must deal with requests as quickly as possible, and at least within 1 calendar month. The right to restriction of processing. Individuals also have the right to restrict the processing of their personal data. This means that organisations are permitted to store the data, but not process it further. So, when does the right apply? The right to restriction of processing applies in situations where the individual contests the accuracy of personal data. Here, you should restrict the processing until the accuracy or validity of the data is confirmed. An individual has objected to the processing of data that is necessary for the performance of a public interest task, and your organisation is considering whether the legitimate organisational grounds override those of the individual. Processing is unlawful, but the individual doesn't want the data to be erased, so they request restriction instead. You no longer need the personal data, but the individual requires the data to establish, exercise, or defend a legal claim. Similar to the right of rectification, where personal data has been shared with a different data controller or third party, the organisation may, in some circumstances, have a duty to contact the other organisation and inform them of the rectification request. If you decide to remove the processing restriction, then the individual must be informed. How may an individual request a restriction to processing? A person can make a request using any reasonable communication channel, for example, verbally, by phone, or in writing, by email, letter, or social media post. Once a request has been made, your organisation will be expected to reply and start the task without any unnecessary delay, and again at the latest within 1 calendar month. Need more knowledge? Find out about our certified training courses. More information is available at www.griffinhouseconsultancy.co.uk. I've been Jane for the Griffin House Consultancy. Thank you for watching.